Well, get paid $45 per email you send from your Gmail. Yes, make money online method. This is that I'm going to show is using just Gmail. You have to mail others and you will going to make $45 or more or less. So how is that possible? Well, stay with me. I'm going to show you how we're going to make money on the online with this. The site that I want to show is called vfly.com. Yes, this is fly.com. Yes, this is a really good tools for YouTubers. So as they are saying, make your YouTube video go viral. So how we are going to use these sites? We are not going to use any of our videos, or we are not going to buy this service from these websites. We are going to promote it. This, yes, we are going to promote this service as an affiliate. So I'm assuring you, before I promote it, I can assure you this is a really professional way. Anyone, any new YouTubers who need traffics, who need viewers, who need views, simply can go over to this websites and purchase any campaign, and they will very much love to have these type of campaigns, and they will thank you that you promoted this service to them, because this is a real deal, real professional service for any YouTubers who need graphics, who need views. So obviously this is a really good site you can check out on Trustpilot. So yes, this is the rating on Trustpilot, and you can see that they have a good rating as well. There you can read their reviews, good reviews and bad reviews as well, to better understanding how this service works. And but they are going to pay you 15% on every sale they have. So this is a really cool way to earn money online. So we are just going to go over to the affiliate sections, right? So just click on become an affiliate and simply sign up for by completing a simple form and submit, and you're good to go with that. And then you simply just start promoting your link. These links you have to promote on other social media sites. Yes, we are going to use, not going to use any cheap methods. We are going to use YouTube, as this is a YouTube method, this is a YouTube service. We are going to go to YouTube and we are going to search and for our potential customers. So I just head on over to YouTube and I search for how to get more views on YouTube. So yes, this is it. You search for more views. As we are selling, we have to promote YouTube promotions. This service needs like people who are new, who wants views. So we search for how to get more views on YouTube. So I search and some couple of videos out there and show up, and I just go over to Brian G. Johnson's videos out there. This is his videos, and if I just go over the he's a really handsome guy, and he's a very popular on YouTube. And if you just scroll down to the comment sections, you can read through all the comments, and you can see that there are lots of people who are started new on here, and they are saying that they have a new YouTube account, and that is our potential customers that we have to target. And this is the way. So if you just find any persons like this, you just click on those persons profile and go over to about sections, and you can see that they have a email address, and you simply copy that email and send email to that persons, and saying that this is a really competitive world in YouTube, and you can just skyrocket your success by getting more YouTube views in a professional way. And this is not a robot service, this is a pure professional high retentions view and traffic to your YouTube channel that you can get. Simply go to post them there your affiliate link about VFly, and you can see that he will be very much interested. As he is a new, he will definitely going to go to these websites and definitely buy that service for the first time to try it. And I am going to assure you, he will be very much pleased with that service. When they get more pleased, they will buy more and they will stay there forever. So simply, this is the way you work. Our opportunity is limitless. There are thousands of views, thousands of videos out there. You simply go over to every video, go over to every comments and target those customers and bring them to FeeFly. And in this that process, every email you send, that's an opportunity to make more than $45. It's just a amount. You can make more than that. So earning thousands dollar per month is very easy with this process. So simply follow this method. If you are liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos and stay with my channels. Every day new videos going to get uploaded, so check out my other videos. You will definitely like those. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.